Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. EDIMENS 2-pack hard PC case compatible with Apple Watch Series 6. Suitable model, the PC screen protector compatible with Apple Watch 44mm. Special design, this protective cover with built-in tempered glass screen protector your smartwatch. Easy to install, super easy to install for its snap-on design to avoid taking the straps off first. Screen protector features, designed allows access to all controls, buttons, sensors for functional buttons and ports, work with any charging station without taking out the case. Package included, 2-pack screen protector for Apple Watch 44mm Series 6, 5, for SE. Number 2. 12-pack hard PC case for Apple Watch 44mm SE. This perfect accessory case built with tempered glass screen protector designed for Apple Watch 44mm SE, 2022, and Series 5, 2019, and Series 4, 2018, and Series 6, 2020, and SE, 2020, just make sure choose the right size for your own watch. 2-in-1 design protector, hard case built in ultra-thin clear tempered glass screen protector, which hasn't the touching problem, covers both of the screen and edges, 360-degree protects your Apple Watch from scratch, bumps and accidental drops. High sensitive touch, this Apple Watch case with high-definition tempered glass screen protector does not interfere with any screen usability at all, that presents original clear image quality and the original touch sensitivity. Best choice. Number 3. Case compatible with Apple Watch 42mm series. Compatible, this Apple Watch case 42mm perfectly compatible with iWatch 42mm Series 3, Series 2, Series 1. Material, durable PC and PET material cover the screen and edges. Full cover protect your iWatch, prevents scratches and wear. 2-in-1 design, smart design allows access to all controls, buttons, sensors and Apple Watch features. Charge directly, don't need to take off the watch case. Screen protector, the PET material screen protector can be repeatedly wiped with a glasses cloth, to ensure the clarity of the screen without affecting repeated use. Nice gift idea, with elegant appearance and considerate design, this watch case is great for personal use, will be an ideal gift for birthday, Valentine's Day, wedding, Christmas and New Year. Number 4. HANKN 2-pack clear 44mm case compatible with Apple Watch series. 1. Package include 2 PCs 44mm clear case with a tempered glass screen protector for Apple Watch Series 6-5 for SE. 2. All-in-one design. This PC material case has HD tempered glass screen protector, covers the full front and curved edges of the Apple Watch, provide overall protection from the scuffs, scratches, drops, shatter and bumps from daily wearing. 3. Charge directly and precise cutout, don't need to take off the watch case when charging. Full front access to all ports, controls and sensors of your watch. Never affect the band insertion and charging. 4. Easy take on and off, this new design case, easy take on and off and you do not need to take off your watch band. Sensitive touch. Ultra-thin tempered glass film maintains watch's original response sensitivity, ensuring quick app launching. Number 5. Tensea 3-pack, for Apple Watch screen protector case Series 9 87 45mm. Only fit for your iWatch Series 9 45mm, Series 8 45mm, Series 7 45mm smartwatch. Note, not compatible with iWatch Series 9 8 7 41mm, choose the other size variation, SE Series 6 5 for 40mm 44mm, SE 2022 40mm 44mm, Series 3 2 138mm 42mm, Apple Watch Ultra 49mm or other models. Full protection, this iWatch 45mm tempered glass screen protector PC bumper can protect your watch from dust, dirt, scratches and damages. Easy to install and remove, accurate holds access to all controls and sensors, firm and secure. The snap design on the back keep the watch from popping off. Upgraded material, the anti-scratch tempered glass is 9 grade hardness. The shock-absorbing PC material is more hard, tougher and more protective.